say it's really odd that one's off. One that's not even like the trigger.
But it's because I don't have, like, the touchscreen doesn't work with the glove on.
That's not why, you just couldn't find the other glove.
Well, that too.
Yeah, too.
But whatever Ian takes, I'll take.
I kind of want to come back when it's dark.
What are you?
The sun's so cool right now, though.
Fair enough.
Life.
You're not. Oh, okay.
Oh, I was like, what is this? And then there's letters everywhere. I have two wrong ones.
What do you have?
Oh, it's 35, but I want it like a big picture. Not a zoomed in one.
Crimson.
Oh my god, this is horrible. Oh,
Is it forbidden? Oh, you already said it. Forbidden fruit? I mean root? Both the same. They're both the same. Forbidden fruit. Forbidden root. What?
the filter's on the 55, not the 35.
Well, your apartment needs more light then. Do you see me? I even turned on that light.
I saw the ISO was like out the wazoo.
Well, yeah, that's why I was using the fucking flash. There's so dark in there.
But it's a Sony, so it's all good.
Yeah, I can go to 18,000 ISO.
Yeah. Good job, good job, good job. It's all about the good camera. Oh, you don't have to worry about the other shit. Screwing them in and out is a pain in the ass.
Like, knowing me though, I would somehow move the camera like a little too fast and it would just shatter.
just
cute.
fucking fly. I couldn't
This
get
is
it.
horrible. Oh my god, you have to pose under it.
Cool.
Bam!
Nice, Nancy.
Excellent.
That was actually gonna be good.
Huh? Ah! Thanks, Grandpa.
That's how old. Wow, what a compliment.
Alright, you wanna walk around?
Yeah, we can walk around. I'm down. You're so close. Ah,
I love those igloos.
they're fucking sweet. Oh, there's children.
Oh my
They're
god, Andrew can hear
sweet.
them. That's so light.
They're warm. They're probably really warm.
I want to
so
do that
sweet.
while it's snowing.
Oh.
That'd be sick. I'd be so excited.
Yeah. Igloos. Like,
I should have probably not carried this bag around.
here.
Not fully lean.
Whoa. Icicles are so aesthetic.
Nice. Nothing crazy.
That's pretty cool.
You look like you want to kill somebody, but
It's cold.
it is cold.
You should have told me to smile more then. I would have smiled more. Yeah, we can do that if you can.
Would you
Yeah.
Nancy's like, ah, maybe not.
Wait, let me put these out. Maybe I should have bald.
it looks like you have a twin. I take it. Not the best.
Yeah, it's kind of so awkward. I don't know how to do less awkward, bitch. You're gonna melt your camera with it.
Nah,
Caution.
that does not happen.
Oh, really?
You should point your GoPro at it.
Yeah.
Let the people know
That
that
hot.
it is, in fact, toasty.
Only a little bit. It's toasted!
Oh, damn, fire. Awesome to take pictures of.
Fire's hard to take pictures of.
Yeah, you need like a really high shutter speed, yeah?
Oh, the low shutter speed makes it look cool.
I disagree.
You think so?
Damn it, I forget how to do everything.
Guess what? Guess what I bought?
What?
I bought a Polaroid back for my medium format camera.
I don't know what that means.
It's gonna be fucking awesome.
What does it mean? What did you do exactly?
So, I'll explain it later. It's more complicated than this. I'll have to like show you guys the camera.
Okay.
But it's gonna be fucking awesome. That's the thing.
Oh, come on. I don't know how to change shutter speed. There we go. Everything you guys trained me for, it's all gone.
Is it?
Oh, yes, it's yes.
Come on, look at that flame.
That's pretty cool. But look at that. Damn.
Yeah, it's pretty
Not
cool.
really.
Ray shark. Tax shark. On
Oh,
this
see,
tear.
look at this.
Ooh, yeah, I like that.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, I like
If there
that.
wasn't so much wind, it would look cooler. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Wow. Ooh,
Yeah.
that's really cool how you have like the one of the firearms just came off. You know what I mean?
No.
Like it's like floating in the
Oh,
middle.
yeah. The firearms.
What else would you call them?
The flames.
Yeah. Sure. Rah.
Yeah. You can just stand there. Don't move. You're fine. No, not you. I'm talking about the hot models I was watching.
It's just like
No.
hot models.
Oh my god.
Look at all the shiny things.
What shiny things? Oh my god, women. What?
You say look at all the tiny things?
Shiny. She said shiny things. Who says that other than women?
To you. They say to you a lot, you know?
Yeah, because they want those shiny things for free.
No, they say those tiny things to you a lot.
Ah. That was harsh.
That was weird.
They're happy. They're happy. You gotta be really, really nuts with your friends, you know? There. You'll be fine. You're fine.
I have a micro penis. Holy shit, that looks awesome. Look at this Louis Vuitton shit. I can't get anything cool, but fuck it.
In and of itself is cool.
So bright. Blowing up my lap.
You get it?
Oh, it's not a good picture.
Here.
Oh, me?
Do it.
Yeah, I mean, you can. I just have to.
Yeah,
like,
do it.
stand
Go
back.
for it. Go
Yeah,
for
love
it. Go for it, Nancy.
No, I'm okay.
Look at the shiny thing.
Yeah, dude.
Shiny
Pretty
thing.
shiny.
Shiny
If
thing.
you buy that, you get the tree.
They're like $3,000 purse.
But you get the
Oh,
tree.
Still in there.
At least.
But you get the tree. That's all that matters.
What do you want me to do here?
Just standing there. Like, look away.
I didn't look up women's posing.
Oh.
Nancy's like, I'm not trying to be
I
a
was
model.
looking at those ladies.
She's trying to take pictures of models.
Alright.
Got it.
Let's keep moving for all
That's the goal. Yeah, let's try to contact. Can we talk about the smoke that's coming out of the directory? Like, what?
Yeah, what's going on there?
What is happening?
Is it warm? Should we go towards it? If there's smoke, there's gotta be heat.
Guys, are we gonna go shopping? Oh my god.
What? Guys, where's the heat? I really want some.
Find the directory. You wanna try posing it in here?
Smells like fucking steak and it smells delicious.
It smells really good.
Oh, fuck.
He's like, where's the food? Take me to the food.
It smells so good.
It's cold, man.
Hey, women's poses right there also. Everywhere, Nancy. Let's see if I can get something. Oh, that's cute. Wait. I'll get there. Give me a second. Let me bump this up. 1/60. We can't see anything.
Alright, let's go inside.
You look good like that.
Yeah, let's go inside.
Just look at. Smile normally.
It's not normal? Wait, did I need to smile more or less? I don't understand.
I don't know. Left? No? You asshole.